The next topic we are going to see about employee attitude. A business owner looks at an employee's behavior to determine his ultimate productivity and contributions to the business. In many cases, a person's behavior is affected by his attitude. Understanding a person's behavior is affected by attitude, and attitude and their relationship to an employee's success helps owners and managers understand how to solve problems that include negative team morale, poor efficiency, and stagnated growth. So, employee morale is something that can either a positive or negative attitude about specific work tasks, products or services, co-workers or management, or the company as a whole. So, an attitude is a psychological state of mind. It is a way a person thinks about situations and is ultimately determines a person's behavior. In the workplace, employees can have both the attitude, but attitude results in apathy to daily tasks. Employees are easily agitated by minor problems. They are completed at substandard levels. So, we have different types of attitude. So we have different types of employees in our organization. Last class in McGregor theory, we saw about X and Y. So all X employee, they are not ready to work, they only focus on remuneration. But Y employee, they are innovative in nature, and they are very productivity, and they won't complain about the organization. So these are the types, these are the attitude of the employees. So here we see positive attitude of the employees, and they have positive attitude towards towards their work. Positive attitudes among employees make the workplace environment more fun. Employees with a positive attitude have carried out their work performance to a higher standard without any complaint. When an employee with a positive attitude deals with a negative customer service call as an opportunity for the customer to change their attitude towards the employee. Later, it can set an example for other employees also. So when employees are happy and engaged, attitudes and productivity are more likely to be positive. Negative attitudes can be changed to positive ones with the right amount of encouragement and acknowledgement by managing the workplace and employees effectively. And managers or employer can change their employees' attitude positively and improve their performance at work. So this is we are seeing that lady is very fatigue. So it would not be great if employee was not happy. But this scenario is not ideal. Sometimes people attitudes are distracting and it can negatively impact others. It's a role of management to handle these factors to prevent the arising of negative attitude in the workplace. So here we are seeing bad attitude. He is very lethargic in nature. He is not caring about his responsibility. He is simply chit chat, and he is surfing on internet. So next we are moving to what are the factors influencing employee attitude. So we have some four features: job satisfaction, employee engagement, emotional connect, personal issue, and problems. See one by one. First, job satisfaction. Job satisfaction, one of the key factors of the attitude of employees. When the employees enjoy their work, feel confident in their abilities to succeed in the workplace, and they will complete assigned tasks and appreciate the roles that they are assigned to. They are much more likely to have a positive attitude in the workplace. When an organization is looking for candidates to fill a position, they look for the most talented, experienced candidates, irrespective of whether the person is suitably interested or well matched to the particular position in the organization. For example, a candidate who has excellent knowledge of the industry but he prefers to do research and development work might not expect to be hired for a marketing or sales position. Unless the candidate is not interested or comfortable with the position, hiring them for such position might be risky decision. Even if they have the skills to work for the position, considering them for a badly fitted position might not be good for the growth of an organization or the employee itself. So they should be doing what they are interested and what they know. So next, employee engagement. Employee engagement is a concept that includes satisfaction, dedication, and motivation of employees. When employees feel engaged and satisfied with the task, you can see a positive attitude vibe among them. They will grow in their task and they'll be more interested in doing their job because they will develop skills, interest, and ambitions in their respective fields of work. This will encourage their efforts and dedication, keep their attitude towards work positive, and increases their productivity. And next, we are moving to uh, emotional connect. So, emotional connect is not a legal document, but an understanding of the relationship between the manager and their employees and what they expect from other. When the employees feel negative attitude from their manager, their emotional connection is broken, and it's a responsible for manager to have a good rapport with their employees in order to get things done from the employee. So from the management point of view, it's a kind of technique to get job from the employee. So it should be balanced between employee and employer. So this can negatively impact my engagement and job satisfaction, leading to negative attitude in the workplace. So next, we are moving to personal problems of an employee. So negative attitude among the employees can also occur for other reasons. For example, personal or family issues may cause an employee to negatively impact work performance. Such problems cannot be solved if you do not support them. So as a manager or employer, they should support their employee, but the employee can still help them to solve their problems and manage their attitudes toward work. So, in most situations, a good attitude leads to positive behaviors, and negative attitude leads to negative behaviors. An employee who believes in the company core values is more likely to show positively in the workplace. Organization where employees likely each other and trust the management are more likely to have positive attitude. Employees with a positive attitude are more productive in nature. So, however, the employee are expected to work for extended hours regularly without extra incentive, and negative attitude develops quickly. So, it affects the organization that creates problems in work performance and productivity in workplace. Prevention is the best solutions to change the attitude of the employees, and the manager can use different methods to change the attitude of the employee instead waiting for negativity to develop among them. When management listens their employee concern and responds to them, negatively will not be there between the management and employees. So communicate with the employees and listen to their concerns both professionally and personally, and work on them seriously will help them to develop positive attitude. So some people who tend to be negative and do complain against others, their nature, but you can, as a sorry, you means employer can change and encourage their attitude to bring negativity to the workplace. So appreciation can be done to create positive attitude, and they can focus on solutions instead of problems, and they can understand relationship between employee and their attitude towards the work, and it will help the organization to solve the problems like negativism, morale, less growth, and less productivity. So you can do some activities such as fun activity, organize events in the workplace so that everyone can participate, and this will help management to reduce negative attitude among the employees. So negative attitude can be threaten the vital functions of the organization. It can spread like a virus from a single employee through the entire department. So no matter how good your organization or is, you will face an employee with a negative attitude in some situations, as negative attitude is common that every organization should deal with it quickly and easily. So finding out employees with a negative attitude, and it has to be treated immediately. And the management can have a discussion forum with their employee so that they can come to know about their attitude. They can ask questions related to their job, related to their job environment and the other thing. And if the employer are less serious about this, this will create a bad environment, and it will create negativity among the employers as well as employer. So it is responsible for the organization to develop positive or attitude among the employees. So here I'm completing the employee morale and attitude of the employee. And you may get question like how employee morale or productivity, I mean related to productivity, or how the attitude of the employee directly related to productivity. Okay, so you can write examples, and you can quote any examples, live examples. You can take example of CTS, Google, Facebook, something like that, and you can write about that. Okay, so question cannot be direct, it is indirect way only. Okay, so listen carefully, and you can finish it up the assignment in next classes. Okay, we'll discuss about that. Thank you very much for your patient listening.